Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
In this video, I am going to share latest job openings in Mysore location. It is from Karnataka. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there are two job openings available from Star of Mysore and also Mysore Mitra newspapers. Firstly, there is a job opening for accounts executive position. So for this position, they need male graduates with a commerce background below 25 years, 28 years with the basic knowledge of MS Office and Tally ERP knowledge is required to apply for this accounts executive position. Second one, for senior accounts executive position, they need male candidates with commerce graduate is required and below 35 years with a minimum 3 years of experience is required in billing or accounts department, and also the candidate should be having knowledge of MS Office and Tally ERP is essential. So interested candidates, you can directly walk into the interview between 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. and you need to carry your CV along with the passport size photograph, and you need to contact with the finance manager and this is the address details. So please check with all the details provided here. Next, there are job openings available from Spectra Pipes Private Limited. So it is located in Mysore location. So they need a tool room technician and also production supervisors and also mold setter. Firstly, for tool room technician position, one vacancy is available and also 3 to 5 years of experienced candidates are required for this position. Second one, for production supervisors position, two vacancies are available and they required 3 to 5 years of experienced candidates for this position. And third one, for mold setter position, two vacancies are available. So they need 2 to 4 years of experienced candidates for this mold setter position. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone number for more detailed information. The number is 7022540475. Next one, there are job openings available from Excel PAR Power Electronics Private Limited. So it is near Hebbal Industrial Area, Mysore. So they have vacancies for operators. So for these positions, you should be completed your SSLC, pass or fail. So these candidates are eligible to apply for this position. 20 vacancies are available for these positions. So interested candidates, you can walk into the interview with your biodata, marks and marks cards and also your Aadhaar and bank passport at the provided address details. And if you have any queries also, you can also contact them with the given phone numbers provided here. So you need to walk into the interview between 10 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. or 2 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Next, there are vacancies available from Sai Sankalp Beverages. So it is near Mysore location. So they need sales executives and also distributors for barely packaged drinking water in Mysore, Mandya, Hassan and Coorg locations. So interested candidates, you can contact them with the given phone numbers provided here, and you can also check with all the details provided here. So the number is first one 84530 999. Second number is 827790 Next, there are vacancies available from Shubham, the electronic shop. So they have vacancies for legal assistant and also audit assistant positions. Firstly, for legal assistant position, age should be between 30 to 40 years and also minimum 5 years of experience is required, and the candidate should be having experience in executing and handling legal documents of corporate companies, real estate documents vetting and solution, and understanding the legal form, revenue or registration process, and salary is as per company standards. Second one, for audit assistant position, The candidate should be having experience in company financials and preparation of P&L and balance sheet, internal auditing, and also GST proficiency knowledge is required, and the candidate with relevant experience is required in CA office preferred. So salary is as per the company standards. So interested candidates, you can check with all the details provided here, and you can also send your resume to the provided mail ID. The mail ID is hr@shubhamworld.com. Next, there are vacancies available from SBI Life for the post of Life Mitra from suitable candidates. So for these positions, age should be minimum 30 years and the qualification will be PUC. So 9 vacancies are available for this post. So it is in the Mysore city. Interested candidates, for more detailed information about these vacancies, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 916364264040. Next, there are vacancies for writers. So it is from Star of Mysore. They are looking for journalists or writers. No experience is necessary for these positions, and also the candidates should be having good writing skills and also a passion for telling stories with clarity. Or so if you have experience, even better, and you should be having knowledge of Kannada is an advantage for these positions. So salary is as per the industry standards. So interested candidates, so please check with all the details provided here, and you can also send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is jobs@starofmysore.com. Next, there are job openings available from Shah Mobiles Private Limited. So it is located in Mysore location. So they have vacancies for executive and also for office assistants. Firstly, for executive position, they require both male and female candidates, and graduate with fluency in Kannada, English, and computers knowledge is required for these positions, and it is for sales and office work. And second one, for office assistant, they require male candidates to assist in sales, service, and spares. So qualification will be PUC or ITI with two-wheeler driving license is required for this position. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail IDs, or else if you have any queries or questions, you can contact them with the WhatsApp number, that is 9742500313, or else you can walk into the interview to the provided address details. Next, there are vacancies available for Sri Sai distributors. So they have vacancies for female accountant and also with the delivery boy. First one, for female accountant position, one vacancy is available with tally knowledge is required for this position, and for delivery boy position only one vacancy is available. So interested candidates, if you have any queries, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 8861088684. Next, there are vacancies available from well-known manufacturing industry in Hebbal industrial area. So they require candidates for operators, chemists, and also supervising engineer. So firstly, for operators positions, the candidate must be a diploma holder or ITI holder with minimum 5 years of experience in relevant field is required for these operators positions. Second, for chemist positions, they require a male and female candidates. Both candidates are eligible for these positions. Any degree in chemistry with relevant experience is required for these positions. Third one, for supervising engineer position, degree or diploma in mechanical or electrical with relevant machinery experience. So these candidates are eligible to apply for these positions. So interested candidates, you can forward your resume to the provided mail ID, that is hrbachem689@gmail.com. Next, there are openings available for cashier and also sales girls from Noel Mart. So they require candidates immediately for a supermarket at Kuvempu Nagar and also Saraswatipuram locations. So firstly, for cashier position, they need both male candidates and also female candidates with minimum 3 years of experience is required. And the second one for sales girls positions with minimum 3 years of experience is required to look after a section independently. So interested candidates, you can forward your resume to the provided mail ID, or else if you have any queries you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 7795650788. Next, there are vacancies available for full-time experienced advocate with complete knowledge of land matters and PTCL for reputed builders and developer company in Mysore. So interested candidates, if you have any queries regarding these job openings, you can contact them with the given phone number, that is 9343222225. Next, there is a job opening for accounts executive position. So for these positions, they need female graduate with 1 year of experience is required in Tally. So it is at Vijayanagar third stage location, and interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number for more detailed information. Next, there are openings available for accounts executives, and coming to qualification details, the candidate must have completed their BCom or BBM. So these candidates are eligible, and minimum 1 to 2 years of experience is required in accounts handling, taxation, GST, Tally and Excel with proficiency in English language. So it is located in VV Mohalla. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID. Next, there are openings available for chemists and also microbiologist positions from lab career. So it is located in Hebbal industrial area. Firstly, for chemist positions, they require both candidates, I mean both male and female candidates. Any degree in chemistry with relevant experience is required for these positions. Second one, for microbiologist position, both candidates can eligible to apply, and any degree candidates are required in microbiology with the relevant experience is required for this position. So interested candidates, you can send your resume to the provided mail ID, that is labcareer02@gmail.com. Next, there is a job opening for female office assistant position. Coming to qualification details, BCom or BBM is required with knowledge of Tally, and good communication skills are required for these positions. So interested candidates, if you have any queries, you can approach them with the given phone number, or else you can send your resume to the provided mail ID. That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section, and please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.